Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Tips. Hope you are doing great, right? Yes. So, in our previous classes, we have studied about how the shortcut keys of Excel and percentage, how to calculate the percentage, and how the cells will speak, and all so on. So, now we are going to study about references, different types of references. So, we have relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. First, let us see what is relative reference. So here I have given you month, income and expenditure. So now I want to calculate the net income. How can I calculate the net income? So I will write the formula as equal to income minus expenditure. So this is how I will calculate the net income. I will write down. So you will get the net income. So no net income is income minus expenditure, then you will get the net income, right? So now let us see the formula, how it generated. So see here, I have given F7 minus G7. So relatively according to the rows and according to the columns, it is taken F8 minus G8, F9 minus G9, F10 minus G10. In this way, taken as relative reference. So now let us see what is absolute reference. So in absolute reference here I have given as student names, marks in a single subject. So the maximum marks is 100. If I want to calculate the percentage, what I will do is I will write equal to this divided with 100. So yes, but see, the remaining one is absolutely wrong, right? It is 120%, it is 130%, it is 250%, it is 130%. So let us see the formulas, how it worked out. So it is taking the relative reference, see, D4 divided with D3, D5 divided with D4, D6 divided with D5. In this way it is taking. If you want to see here maximum marks is 100. This 100 is constant. It is not changing. So in that case, what you will do is, you will just log this number. How can you log? So I will write here $3, $3. I am logging row as well as column because this address D3 is fixed. This column is fixed and this row is also fixed. That means this value is fixed. So I am locking both 3 as well as 3. So let me check. So if you want to log this, what you will do is you will click on F4. This is a shortcut. Then type enter and then drag down. You will see the formula as D3. In the denominator, you will get all the formula as D3. So I will show you the result. So see, for 100 you got 100%, for 50 you got 50%, for 60 you got 60%, 78%. In this way you can calculate with the absolute reference. Whatever is fixed, whether it is row or it is column, you will lock it. So in absolute reference, mainly the row will be locked. Coming to the mixed reference, here I want to multiply 9 with 30, 8 with 30, 7 with 30, 9 with 40, 8 with 40 and 7 with 40. In this way, I want to calculate. So what I will do, I will write as equal to this multiplied with this. Wow, it's worked. Now let me try it out. It is absolutely wrong again. So in this case, what I will do is see the formula. Here it is taking absolute reference again. P8, P9, B10 in this way. So what I will do is, first I will delete this and I will show you. So this multiplied with this. Then see here, what is the address of this? What is the reference of this? It is B8. This is B9. this is B10. So here B is common. Everywhere B is common. This column B is common everywhere. So what I will do is I will just log this B. Because here I can't log 8 here because here I'm changing 8, 9, 10. The value, the number is changing, row is changing. So I can't log this. So I have logged here B. Next in C7, that means 9. Here 8, 7. So what is the address of this? It is C7. So C7, this is also C7. So here it is D7. Here it is E7. So 7 is common. So I will log 7 here. So now we will get, what we will get? See, 270, 360. Wow, it's worked. So let me drag it. Yes. So now let me check. 9 into 3 is 270. 8 into 30 is 240. 7 into 30 is 210. 9 into 40 is 360. 8 into 40 is 320. 7 into 40 is 280. 9 into 50 is 450. So in this way it is working. So let me show you formula. So here see B8, B9, B10. So B is common. That's why I log B. 8, 9, 10. So it is changing. 30, 40, 50. It is changing. So here 8, 9, 10 it is changing. You can see here. So in this case, I did not log this 8, 9 and 10. So coming to this 9, 8, 7. Here it is C7, it is D7 and it is E7. So what I did, I logged 7 but not C because here C, D, E is changing. I will hide this now. So this is the result. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.